How to remove suggested accounts on Instagram search. So go ahead and open your Instagram application, open your account, and tap the avatar icon or the profile icon here on the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, tap the three lines in the upper right corner. Now click on Settings, scroll down and go to Account. From here, click on Contacts Syncing. Make sure to turn off this toggle. We are doing this because aside from your search history, your location, and your linked socials, the main source of the algorithm of Instagram is your phone contacts. So by turning this off, your account is no longer synced with contacts, thus removing the suggested accounts. So that is how to remove suggested accounts on Instagram search. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.